Oh, welcome back, my faithful viewers, and welcome to another video. So, today we got another taste test. It's from Costco. As you could tell by how huge these bags are. There's another bag over here. It's humongous. Anyway, we got 3 things to taste. The first thing that we are going to taste is a salted egg seaweed crisp. This, I think, is a product of where? Singapore. We're going to Singapore. Okay, now this is a resealable bag, so I will try to cut it along the top so I don't ruin it. And that's only because I ruined many of the resealable bags in my days. Don't want to do no more. Okay. Okay, let's see. So that's what it is. It's a nutty smell. You know, I don't smell no funky sulfuric from the eggs, but that's what we're looking at. And this is, so one side's the egg and one side's the seaweed. I guess you could call this tempura. Well, we'll find out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. And the little heat at the end. Coming from the garlic. So we're good with that. Now, immediately, I need another taste. First off, before I go any further, I need another taste. Oh, this is so good. And a nice salty. I wouldn't say excessively salty, but and like when you got egg for breakfast, you put a little bit of salt on it. Well seasoned. This is salt and pepper is not seasoning, I'm sorry, but it's pretty good. Immediately what comes to mind is this would be a good potato chip substitute. Now, potatoes are starch, and starch is just a complex. Starch is a carb, and carb is a complex sugar. So if you're trying to cut down on your sugar, this is a great potato chip substitute. I wonder if it's keto friendly. I would assume it is because the egg is a protein. Anyway, next what we're coming up with is this. What's the company's name? Soban. Okay. Orange chicken, but it's keto puffs. This is coming from, let's see, soybean. Okay, what's the, oh, it's down here. Oh, it is a USA product. Anaheim, California. Okay. Now, there is no resealable Ziploc on the top. These are freaking adorable. These look like those bugles. Hold on. Okay, that's a little hot. Hang on. Okay. It's orange. It's supposed to be orange chicken. The flavoring around my lips is delicious. Oh my god. I have to see. Okay. Paprika, turmeric. Now let's see. Orange chicken flavoring, soy sauce, sodium. Well, we know it's sodium. Sodium, sugar, beef flavor, chicken flavor. So a lot of flavoring. Ah, there's the garlic. Okay, when they put a lot of garlic in it because green hot chili. Oh. Okay. So I need to be careful on this. Whew. Because if it's enough of that green hot chili in here, my lips are gonna swell up and I get it. My tongue swells up, my lips turn blue. But I'm okay. I'm okay. It's just a little painful. However, these are really good. So I'm going to play Dance with the Devil for something delicious. Because I love food. I don't care. It's good. I don't care. And that's going to be worth the pain. Oh, yeah. That's going to be worth the pain. Okay. Finally, we're going to have a dessert. It's a product of Thailand. So, it's what we would call Rice Krispie Squares. And they call it sticky rice. Only they, as in this company, decide to add mangoes to it. Those mango sweet sticky rice. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Look, and we get 21 individual bags right there in the front. So you can see you got 21 of them. And I don't remember how much I paid for this. I don't care. It's so huge. You can see it's so huge. I'm just going to set it on the floor. And that's so cute because it has a flat bottom. So it doesn't mind to sit on the floor upright. It don't go nowhere. So, okay. Now, oh, that's interesting. It's unique smell. I cannot place it. It's pleasant. It's a florally smell. Okay, so this is a little different. This is a little different than the... Oh, macaroon. It looks like a macaroon. This is what the sticky rice looks like when you don't put it with a bunch of... Oh, look how it's falling apart. No chemicals. Oh, that's good. Oh, these are good. Oh, let me see. Let me put this there. Okay. So, the rice is naturally sweet. The coconut is naturally fruit sweet. The mango is natural. Oh my God, it's getting better. And this is gonna be the death of me right here. It's gonna be the death of me, I swear. It is so good. Let's see. Only 160 grams of sodium. Added sugar. I'm looking for added sugar. Oh, wow. There's no added sugar. But all your sugars together is only 15 grams for one dessert. I don't think that's bad. When you compare it, you eat like one of those box snack cakes that has who knows how many grams of sugar. Oh, I'm sorry. Take a bite. There you go. You do. That is really good. The only one I have problem with this, maybe I'm allergic to capsaicin, and that's why I can't eat it too much. But if I could get past the hot, while it hurt myself, that is delicious. Everything that we tried today was really very good. I put that there. That little bundle right there. I'm gonna eat that. And this has a little seat. Can we see that? So these were all a hit. Now, if you want to try any of these, let me know what your reaction is. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you add to yours? Oh, so good. So good. Anyway. Now, if you're thinking you don't have a Costco membership, that's fine. There's 2 ways you could get around it. I just want to eat the food. You want to go in to buy the pizza. And once you're in, you're in. Now, if you want to not be so sneaky about it, you go ahead and can I have a trial pass or a day pass? I've never been in a Costco. Do you have anything that I could just do a little trial to see if I like it? If the people are nice, they'll let you have a guest pass. Or go with someone who does have a membership, and you could be, a guest of theirs. So you can see if you like it. We have the $120 yearly fee. Wait a minute. But we get money back on everything we buy. Whether it's at Costco, if you travel, use a hotel, you eat out, you buy gas, you get, I think, 3 or 4%, 3% on that. If you just use it anywhere else, you get 1% back on all your standard purchases. And all our time, our refund check has been between, I think the lowest we ever got was like $280 back. Because the cashback program. I think it's like the least we ever got was $280. The highest was almost $500, but we don't use it very much. It's only me and my wife. Now, if you're a family, oh dear God, you would definitely bank on this. Because even that $280 refund, excuse me, minus the $120, that's still $160 that we didn't have. So we got paid $160 to buy groceries. How much you got paid to buy groceries? Anyway, go to Costco. The snacks are fabulous. The company is fabulous. The people are actually friendly. They don't mind working there. And they get paid a livable wage. So until next time, guys, we're going to hope for the best. Prepare for the worst, but I guarantee you kids will all end up somewhere in the middle. To the next review. Bye!